I see what the problem is. I need someone in here with me. Rotate counterclockwise when ready.
Here, it must have spun.
We are at Walt Disney World behind the scenes with holiday services. Every year, this small and dedicated team takes on the daunting task of decorating the entire resort that includes 4 theme parks and over 20 resort hotel properties. Among the decor are 20 icon trees, ranging from 15 to 70 feet tall, and each one has to be installed in one night to be ready for opening the next morning. Come see how they do it. Unscripted.
And this is where we build, maintain all of our icon trees in this one little area. All right, this is the electrical box for the AA tree. This is 100 lights per breaker right here. So that's a lot of power going through there. Serpex is what we plug these in. It's like a huge extension cord. Each of these branches, they weigh a couple 100 pounds. This is the tree that's set in front of the Contemporary Resort. It's 70 feet tall. It's our largest icon tree because of the star. The star actually brings it up the extra 5 foot. It's made out of stainless steel, but it oxidizes, so we have to make sure that we polish it and clean it every year. Now that all the trees are done, they're ready for transport. The larger trees take 3 semis, and we sort them all out one night and divide as we go onto the route, and we stage them in different areas.
Both sides.
Yeah, both sides.
Okay, they're going to load the 2 largest sections of the Animal Kingdom tree, and then they're also going to load the tower section. The tower section has the base that actually inserts into the ground containment. It's actually in the promenade in front of the Animal Kingdom park.
Doug, that doesn't look like a tree.
It's a very important part of our tree. That's actually the tower. It has the electrical box as well, as you can see as it's flying.
We're definitely in time because one of the drivers right there and they're going to be in the meeting, so we'll be all right. So we're going to head and go into your tractors, get ready, and Animal Kingdom will be first, 4 trailers next for Epcot, and then the 2 trailers for Studios after that. We'll actually line up on Facilities Way.
Yeah, I'll be in the roadway. Look for me with wands, and I'll be directing the trucks to start pulling forward, and letting you know your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on.
I think this is my 17th time. So it's been quite a few transports. It's only 8 trailers this time, so it's not going to be as long of a transport.
Enjoy, have fun, and be safe.
Thank you. We're almost ready.
We're getting them lined so we can all move at one shot. As soon as we're given the green light, all trailers are in a nice, beautiful line, and we're just going to make the corner.
here waiting for the park to get all clear. Gates are opening as we're speaking right now, and teams are rolling in, and we're going to get started on the icon tree tonight and working down Main Street with the arches.
He's got to take up a lot of the soil. We're going to get it kind of level.
And then this way, when we put our shroud, the surround that goes around the base of the icon tree, it's going to be nice and level and sit where it needs to sit. Because if it sits up too high, where the branches come down, it's not going to work. We'll be pressing down on the top of that shroud. Everything's looking good. We even have the vintage little bicycle there.
Can we get it that way just a hair?
Yeah, but we can't. We're gonna be too close to the edge.
Oh, I see what the problem is. The fins are not extended up right now. No, the fins are not up, and that's what's keeping us from going in. We gotta put this one fin up.
Oh, is that the metal things that are in there?
But yeah.
We're hitting the fin.
Can you reach, Sean?
I need someone in here with me.
I'm coming.
This is a brand new surround, so it's our first time installing it. We're just making sure there's enough room to be able to access and safely be in there to do the electrical work that needs to be done.
How's the tree look to you?
I think it's leaning towards the castle right now, which is a good thing.
A good thing, why?
Because we can slack it. We need to slack these two to pull it back.
Let there be light. We got one more section, that's it. Section flying. And then we'll hand the star to the gentleman in the basket, and they'll put the star in.
2 more feet. 1 more foot. A little more, give me a little more. Another foot of it.
Hold on.
Okay, you see it? Put it on. Great. Alright, hands on at all times. Hold on. Slow it down. Slow it down.
How many trees have you put the top piece on?
None.
None?
No. Yeah, I never even thought of that before. This is the weird part. They're not Christmas ornaments to start out with. They're lamppost globes because they have UV rating, they're thick-walled, and they're durable and made to last. You have like a sealant that you put in. It's almost like a wax, and then you swirl it around, and then you put in the sparkle glitter, and that's how you get the sparkle globes.
Does this ever get old?
No, it doesn't. It's always exciting, always something new. Sometimes a challenge happens, but we try to be as proactive as possible rather than being reactive. But when we need to be reactive, we're ready to be reactive.
What about the tree?
I like the tree. It's so big.
I think it just prepares me for the holiday season. It gets me in the spirit. Gets me ready to spend time with family and friends.
You brought everybody here, right?
Yeah, we got a family of 10.
A family of 10 right here. Where's everybody? Are you excited to see the tree?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's really decorated and pretty.
It's beautiful.
The star is super big.
The star is super big.
Yeah.
We're here celebrating our 31st birthday.
What
And
do you
how
think-
could you not take a picture of this beautiful tree? Yeah, it's beautiful. It's amazing.
How long do you think it took them to put that tree up?
Probably 2 days.
How about
Depends on how
one
many
night?
people. One night.
One
Wow.
night.
That's crazy. Can they come do mine?